Hi children, how are you? Hope all you are fine and safe. Welcome to our session. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter, emerging trends. In this chapter we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud computing, blockchain technology. The rapid growth of technology is not at all surprising, but what surprises is the rate at which the technology is growing and evolving, impacting our lives in a way on one cloud we have imagined some decade ago. Today, you can listen to the news or play your favorite music without getting up from your place, but just giving spoken instructions. Based on your preferences or search history, your online shopping store recommends products for you, and you are surprised with their thoughtful matching choices. All this and much more is possible because of modern age technology. In this chapter, we shall talk about some recent trends in computing and information technology. Let's begin our class. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence basically refers to the ability of a machine or a computer program to think and learn. In simple words, field of AI revolves around bringing out technologies that help build machines that can think, act, and learn like humans. An AI based program and technology should bring out these things. Firstly, it should be to mimic human thought, process, and behavior. Example, learning from mistakes, catching up with new ideas, learning new things from new exposure, past experience, etc. Secondly, it should act in a human like way, intelligent, rational, and ethical. That is, it should be able to take right decision in ethical ways. Thus, modern AI machines are designed and programmed to work with minimum human intervention, create and update knowledge base which keep updating, having heuristic abilities, that is, to learn from past mistakes, decision and outcomes. Examples for AI today is social humanoid robot Sophia, who has been awarded citizenship of Saudi Arabia. Then other common examples are Siri or Alexa, the personal assistants that have already become the new normal of thousands of people around the globe. Smart home devices like Google's Nest, self-driving cars like those who produced by Tesla, online games like Alien, etc. It is predicted that in coming 5 to 10 years AI will grow tremendously. Let us talk about machine learning, which is a popular subdomain of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a sub-area of artificial intelligence which refers to the ability of computers to independently find solutions to problems but recognizing patterns in database using statistical techniques. Machine learning enables computer to recognize patterns on the basis of specific algorithms called models and data sets and to develop adequate solution concept. Therefore, in machine learning, artificial knowledge is generated in the basis of experience. How machine learning works. In a way, machine learning works in a similar way to human learning. Machine learning works in same way through specific data input, that means training and testing specific algorithms and certain commands like models. The computer is enabled to learn, that is trained to identify certain patterns and to distinguish between them. With repeat such trainings and feedback, the system evolved to learn to make predictions. Machine learning it has found applications in many areas of our lives, such as face recognition, online camping, virtual personal assistant, online chat box, and many. Learning applications learn from experience like humans without direct programming. When exposed to new data, these applications learn, grow, change, and develop by themselves. In other words, with machine learning, computers find insightful information without being told where to look. Instead, they do this by leveraging algorithms that learn from data in an interactive process. Next topic is Internet of Things. You must have read stories like a person was able to monitor his home through his smartphone even while he himself was sitting in another country. Scientists were able to monitor the progress of whale who was operated upon a chip was inserted in her body. A car sensor alerted the car owner about low air pressure in twice in time, and so on. All these are nothing but some example of applications of Internet of Things or IoT. The IoT or Internet of Things is a new age technology that allows computing devices, so the devices that can be programmed and can connect to internet, such as smart home appliances like smart refrigerator or smart air conditioner, a smart heart monitor chip, etc. to transfer data over a network like internet without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. The practical applications of IoT technology can be found in many fields today, such as health and fitness, home security, transport, shopping, smart cities, etc. In health and fitness, IoT smart gadgets that monitor your heart rate, blood pressure, etc., and take action accordingly, such as sending emergency messages or updating daily fitness logo or conducting appointment doctor, etc. That smart gadget examples are Fitbit, Jawbone, Nike, and Misfit. Home security. There are many home safety and security devices for everyone that available. Video surveillance, motion, temperature, and air quality control to help you protect your family and your home when you are not around. Transport. Driverless cars can not only drive or on road without drivers, but also can be in touch with servers all time. In shopping, there are smart refrigerators nowadays that can order for grocery items as soon as their quantity in fridge grows below at a set level. Smart cities. The IoT technology is main enabler of making smart cities a reality. Smart surveillance, automated transportation, smart energy management system, water distribution, urban security, and environmental monitoring, etc., are the example of Internet of Things applications for smart cities. I think you understand all things we discussed. Uh, Today we discussed about artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things. Uh, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, thank you all.